Question number 4. Examine the table. Each figure is divided into triangles and the sum of the angles deduced from that. What is the question here? Examine the table. Each figure is divided into triangles and the sum of the angles deduced from that. So, your figure given, here is one figure triangle, your second row side is there, then angle sum, that means sum of all these angles of this figure. How many sides are here? 3 sides here. Sum of all these 3 angles of this triangle, that is equal to 180 degree. Next figure you see, in this figure here 2 triangles are here, 2 triangles. How many sides are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides are here. Okay. That means here you should take 2 into 180 degree. 2 into 180 degree. That means angle sum, here sum of these 3 angles of one triangle, that is equal to 180 degree. That means here 2 triangles are there. So, we should take a 2 into 180 degree. 2 into 180 degree. Now, here 4 sides are there. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 into 180 degree. 4 minus 2 into 180 degree. Okay. So, that is equal to 4 minus 2 is nothing but here the 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2 here into 180 degree. So, 180 degree into 2, that is equal to 360 degree. That means sum of all the 4 angles of this figure, that is equal to 360 degree. So, like this we have to find angle sum for the given figures. So, here 2 we should keep the constant here. Next figure you see, now in this figure how many sides are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. So, side 5 here. Then 3 into 180 degree. So, here 5 sides are given, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, side 5. Then 3 into 180 degree. Here we got 3 triangles, 1, 2, 3 triangles. So, angle sum 3 into 180 degree we should take here. So, when you multiply 3 into 180, that is equal to 540 degree. Now, how to take here this formula? Now, 5 sides are there, you should write 5 minus 2, 2 you should keep constant. Okay. So, 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3 into 180 degree. Okay. Next figure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides are given in this figure. So, how many sides? 6 sides. Okay. Now, how many triangles we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. 4 into 180 degree. If you multiply 4 into 180 degree, 1080. So, now 6 sides are there. So, you should write 6 minus 2, that is equal to 4 into 180 degree. So, like this we should find the remaining figures angle sum. Okay. Now, if 7 sides are there, 7 sides are there in the figure, means what we should do? 7 minus 2 into 180 degree. Next 8 sides are there. So, what we should do here? 8 minus 2 into 180 degree. So, we will get angle sum. What can you say about the angle sum of convex polygon with number of sides? First A is equal, that is first one 7, B 8, C 10, dn. So we'll see later this. N is equal to 7. N is equal to 7. That means number of sides in a figure, that means 7 sides are there in the figure. Then what is the angle sum? Angle sum of a polygon. Angle sum of a polygon. So here formula we can take here n minus 2 into 180 degree. N minus 2 into 180 degree. Now here n value what we should take here? 7 minus 2 into 180 degree. Okay. Now 7 minus 2, that is equal to 5. Then into 180 degree. Now multiply 5 into 180, that is equal to 900. So in the figure, if a figure is having 7 sides, means sum of all the angles of that 7-sided figure, total angle it become 900 degree. Similarly, now we will go to B1. B, what is there? 8. That means n is equal to what we should take here? 8. Then angle sum of a polygon. Angle sum of a polygon. Angle sum of a polygon is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. Now here n is equal to, we should take here 8 minus 2 into 180 degree. Okay. Now 8 minus 2, that is equal to 6 here into this 180 degree as it is. Now multiply 180 into 6, 180 degree, 180 into 6, 6 zeros are 0, 6 8s are 48, 6 1s are 6 plus 4, that is equal to 10. That means here 1080 degree. Next one. So if n is equal to 10, n is equal to 10, same formula you can take here. That means this implies what we should take here? Angle sum of a polygon. So n minus 2 into 180 degree. That means here n value what we should take? 10 minus 2 into 180 degree. Now 10 minus 2, that is equal to 8 into 180 degree. So here you should multiply 180 into 8, 800, 8 8s are 64, 6 carry 4 here, 8 1s are 8 plus 6, that is equal to 14. So this is equal to 1440. Next here D1. So what is given here? N is given, D, n is given. That means in that figure number of sides are there. So angle sum of a polygon angle sum of polygon. So here same formula, n minus 2 into 180 degree. So here what we should take n place? N only we should take here, n minus 2 into 180 degree. That means if n sides are there in the figure, so to find the sum of all the angles of n side figure, that is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree.